Hello, here are some instructions how to make a box from my book Origami Paper Boxes. We're going to make the pinch box. So we're going to start with a square, coloured side up, and we're going to fold it in half diagonally across both axes. So to do this we fold one corner over, line them up and crease. Then we'll unfold again and make the fold lengthwise, fold and crease. Now you'll see in a minute a number 2 will appear in the top left hand corner. This is actually the step from the book, so if you have the book, which I recommend you purchase, you can follow the step number aligned with the numbers coming up. Now we turn the paper over, so step 2. So for step 2 I'm making a fold that comes from the opposite corner down to touch the middle crease. So it's folding the top rectangle of the square. The top half is now folded. It's a diagonal fold one side to the other. You can see the crease there. Now I look for the junction of the diagonal crease and that crease and fold this edge up to here. It's actually a third of the paper. And crease. And unfold. Now at that junction again, it's a third going lengthwise. So I'm folding this edge over and you can line it up. And you see this lower diagonal will line that crease up to and crease. And the lower section I fold up. Now I'm going to make a diagonal fold in the paper above in that layer. So I'm folding the lower section up and opening the corner. So diagonal fold in the folded side and it folds the corner over like this. So I've now got a corner folding out to the right. Pick this corner up, fold it up to be perpendicular to the base. Separate the layers. I'm going to squash it flat. So that crease now lines up with the edge beneath. Now I'll take the top corner and fold it over. And crease. So I'm putting this in as a preparatory fold. Now unfold. Now step 8, unfold the whole sheet. Now I'll do the same on the other side. So I'm folding over the third. Actually this crease is now that line. So I unfold the edge to touch the crease. There we go. Now fold the lower section up. And fold this again. We make this diagonal fold that opens up the paper. So I'm folding it out and fold the lower edge up. Now take this point, fold it up to be perpendicular to the base. Separate the layers and squash it flat. So it's just as you do on the other side. We're repeating on this side. So in the instructions it says repeat on the other side. So this is step 9. Take the corner, fold it over. Again, crease. Crease the whole thing. Open up and unfold. So we've now got creases in that the paper will remember. Now, step 10, fold the edges in. So this is now 6ths. I'm folding the edge into the creases on both sides. Line it up and crease. Now open up. Now I'm going to refi this middle crease. So fold that up. And I'm now going to fold this edge over. And at the same time, fold the edge up diagonally. My hand's blocking it now, but the edge is going to fold up diagonally. So that's the crease there. So that edge is folding over along the middle. The diagonal fold is folding up. And I fold that edge behind. So I'm now making what will be the back of the box. This front section, I've refolded the folds from before, fold that over, and now I'm tucking the corner in. It's the crease we made earlier, and this corner point folds over. Now I've got this corner here, I'm going to reverse that inside, so that just tucks in. There. So I've made one side. Now it's tricky because we've got the bits folded up, but what I'm going to do is I fold this edge in, and this back corner folds up. Just touch and repeat what's on the other side. That folds up and lines up. So it's come in here. So let's fold it in, the diagonal fold, like that. Again, I'm locking it by folding the edge behind, so I fold that over. Push this point back together. Raise it. The creases are there, so I'm going to fold one side in, and then the edge tucks in there. Now the corner will fold back over along the crease, and this point I'll reverse inside. Now I push the two front and back together, and pushing it together, and then take the top section and fold it over, and that starts to form the lid. I can unfold that and then open up this pocket and tuck the lid inside. And that should lock it together. And there we go. That is our pinch box. Just tidy it up a bit. Done. So this has come from my book, Origami Paper Boxes. Thank you very much.